Hello everyone, this is me. I'm on the way.
Serbia, Belgrade. So
This video will be a trip vlog. I just arrived at Luton Airport and there's barely anyone here, so I think we're gonna get through the lines really quick.
Yeah.
Hi George. So our flight's name is called Wizz, and it's one of the very small companies in the UK, and there are a lot of these little small companies. There's so many people. Remember to take your phone and electronic devices out of your pockets. We just got dinner and I got the last tattoo chicken curry. Oh my god, my dad just decided to go the wrong way and then I had to shout at him saying that we had to go the opposite way. Because over there it's 1 to 28 and the way we're walking right now is 30 to 43. I'm going on the plane now. Yay, it's windy. So pretty. We're nearly there. Morning guys, I just woke up and now we're going to choose our breakfast. Where is it? Yeah. Out here.晚一点就喝一杯热巧克力。它的巧克力好特别，都不是热巧克力，就是巧克力，
巧克力浆，哇，糖分爆表。
Paradise Gate， 这个是我今天来的第一个地方。This is one of the biggest Orthodox churches in the world. And its construction started in the 1920s to 1930s, and it's one of the most iconic things about here. We 们到了最重要的一个地方，勿忘历史。好累，现在要吃晚饭。
Thank you。
记得点赞、收藏、关注。